Basshead News.
What's up, YouTube? Coming in with a little channel update. Today I'm going to be opening some bass mail, some much needed upgrades for the back. Let's check them out, see what we got. Alright, so let's check it out. We got a little shipment coming in from Sky High. This is what it's going to go to, so let's see what's in here first. Check it out. Yeah, some good old 1/0 copper lugs and some heat shrink. It's going to go with some Sky High A&L fuses. Let's see what these go to. I've been excited for this. I ordered this Black Friday. It was on back order, and then UPS is taking forever to ship. So it's finally, USPS rather, but it's finally here. I'm excited to check it out. There we go. This is an ill Customs 4-way fuse distribution block. Shit's thick. I thought it was going to be like a thin ABS plastic. I'm sure this is still something similar, but there's more to it than this. Let's check it out. I already have another 2 fuses in the truck, so I will have enough for everything I need. But we got our bag of screws. Now the reason I went from this is I have several of the Sky High A&L fuse holders, and I love Sky High stuff. Nothing bad against Sky High. Just bought more Sky High stuff. I will keep buying from Sky High, but I'm not going to buy any more of those A&L fuse holders. They've melted. They've deformed. They fell apart. Could be something. Of course, it could be my fault, but it's just getting too hot, and we're going to something a little stronger. This will also allow me to be able to run dual inputs to my amp, so that way I'm getting 4 positive, 4 ground on the connection. But I don't believe these need to go on yet, because there's something else nice that goes on top. This is supposed to be a custom etched ill Customs plexi cover. Let's see if we can get this bad boy off. Alright, and so for the purpose of this video, I plan to leave this back cover on, but I think I'm just going to wrap it up in something for storage until I'll put it on probably this weekend. Because I don't want it to get scratched, but I want y'all to see the full effect. So let me see if I can find a corner here. We'll peel this thing off. We wrap up today's video. We got my boy Leroy here, and as y'all know, we're working on his 2 massive Hippo XLs. We're working on a build for him as well. So he has a Wolfram 4500, which I'll attach some pictures in the video for. But he also grabbed some of these ill Customs fuse holder distribution blocks. This 4 will be going to his bass amp, as he's got some dual inputs to go on his Wolfram 4500. And then we also have a 2-way. This will go to his Scar. What's the Scar? 150.4 or 150.4. It's got a Scar 150.4, which I'll also include some pictures of. So yeah, man, we're getting him ready. Trying to get everything up, put nice and clean. But definitely check out Ill Customs. I'll include a link to the website, and check them out. Give them some business. They have a good product. Like I said, I'm super impressed with the weight and the quality of these. I thought these were going to be a lot thinner than they are, so I'm really pleased to see, how thick they are. So again, appreciate you watching the channel. Check us out in the next video.